Welcome back to Outback Polaks. Usually this time of year we would be back from Poland. Our suitcase is packed with Budyn, kisiel, barszcz, all these other foods and soups that we would bring from Poland, which costs only like $1, right? But we couldn't go this year because of, good old Corona and COVID restrictions. Can't leave the country. So we thought we're gonna make our own Budyn, because you love Budyn. What's your favorite flavor of Budyn?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. I prefer vanilla. But because it's you, we're gonna make chocolate Budyn. So we went online and had a look at some recipes, and I'll put the recipes in the description. But it is in Polish, so we're gonna do it in English, so everyone can make this at home. So subscribe, like and share. Hope you enjoy, right? Let's hope it's delicious. And let's hope we don't get food poisoning. That's probably the most important part. So the instructions are very simple. You need 2 cups of water, 250 ml, so 500 ml. 2 spoons of white sugar. 2 egg yolks, so we've got 2 eggs. 3 spoons of potato starch. Surprisingly, we couldn't find any potato starch in the shops, so we went to the Chinese shop and they actually had theirs. I'm hoping it's potato starch.
It looks like cornstarch.
It does. Oh no, that's a potato. It looks like wheat, not corn. Anyway, it says potato starch, so ingredients potato. So I'm hoping it's potato starch. And 100 grams of chocolate. So we've got 180 grams, so we probably just need just over half. And it's using 60% dark chocolate. We've got a 70% one, so it's close enough. All right, so shall we start? All right, so first thing we need is 250 mils of milk in here. So that one. 250 mils. You've already cracked the egg. Don't, because we need the egg yolk, not the entire egg. So 250 mils. Here we go, in the pot. Lumi's first cooking class.
I've been cooking a lot.
You've exploded a lot of things in the kitchen. All right. And in this one is 250. No, in that one. That's it. All right. First thing, we need to bring that to the boil. So I'll put this on the on the stove. Now the whole process should take under 10 minutes. All right, we need egg yolk. So do you know how to get egg yolk?
Yeah.
Stop, not under the milk. In here. So that's the original Budyn. And we're gonna give Junior the white stuff because he loves it. We just need the yellow stuff.
I wish I could do that way. This way.
Well, you cracked the egg wrong. All right, I've got mine.
I got mine.
Oopsie. That's right. This is where we've made a mistake. We need the... No, it's gonna go in the egg. It's gonna go in the milk anyway. So just pour it straight into the milk. Cool. Okay. The egg white. Egg yolk is in. Then I 2 łyżki cukru. So 2 spoons of sugar. There you go. Yep. 1. 2. Cool. 8. 3 spoons of flour. Not heaped. So yeah. That's 1. I've got to hold it with the milk so that's 2. And then 3. And that's what makes it thick. Cool. Awesome. So I'll put that away. Yes, you can whisk it. Whisk it for the biscuit. Go in there in front. Okay. So the milk's boiled. The instruction is to put a spoon of sugar in. Okay. And chocolate. So it melts in there. Wow, it's really dark chocolate, isn't it?
Hate chocolate.
Dark chocolate is good.
It's good for you.
Yeah,
I don't like it.
definitely better for you. Well, with the amount of sugar and flour and everything else that's going in here, all the goodness will probably be gone.
I you should get one more bar.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. That's perfect. It's bitter, eh? Alright. And then we mix the chocolate in here until it's melted with the sugar. I'll bring this up to the second camera so you can see the chocolate melting. And then put it back onto the heat. How's your mixture going? Nice. So we've got the mixture cooking. I've got it on medium heat. Yeah, so the chocolate's melted already. Now if you don't want to use dark chocolate, you can use powdered chocolate. Instead of a block of chocolate, well, 60% of block of chocolate, you can just use 4 heaped spoons of powder. How's your mixture? Is it ready? Mm-hmm. Is it mixed well? Mm-hmm. Are you still eating chocolate while I'm not looking? Mm-mm. I think you are. Alright, do you want to bring your mixture in here? Smarty pants. Oh my god. So keep mixing it. When this is cooking, so when this is ready, we're going to mix it in. We'll turn the heat up a little bit. How is it? Good? Alright, do you want to throw it in? And by throw it, I mean pour it in, gently. Yeah, go. Pop a little way. That's it. Awesome. And we're gonna swap. I'm gonna take this, and you're gonna have the spatula, and you're gonna mix. So how's the mixture looking? Is it thick? So you need to keep stirring. You cannot leave it stirring. I mean, on its own. So the instructions said it has to constantly be stirred. Yeah, so the idea is that you keep stirring until it starts getting thick. Is it getting thick?
A bit.
Yeah, so that means, yeah, but see how it's coagulating? See how it's all that chunky bit? You gotta stir it out. That's the potato flour. So you gotta stir it all out. So let's have a look. Ready, Lemmy? Oh, it's a little bit too thick. It still looks good though. It smells good. What do you think?
Looks like it's too dark chocolate.
It is too dark chocolate. Right. Well, you're the one that said to put an extra chocolate bar in.
Because I wanted the taste to be better.
Okay.
So you need to put more sugar then.
More sugar? Yeah, maybe more. Well, yeah, if you're going to put more chocolate in, then definitely more sugar, because this is dark chocolate, which means it's bitter. Okay. All right, so here we are. 2 chocolate puddings. Now they're very thick, because I do think we've put too much chocolate in. And I think we left it cooking for a little bit long, but it does smell like chocolate pudding.
I think it's too thick because I put a bit of extra
flour. Potato starch. Right, let's taste it anyway. Cheers. Let's go. It's thick, but it's good. You like it?
Yeah.
I don't think it needs more sugar. I think it's sweet enough. 3 full spoons of sugar, I think it's thick enough.
2.
No, come on. No, there's 2 in the mix and then 1 in the pot. I like it.
It's okay.
Come on, for our first attempt?
Yeah, it's okay.
For our first attempt, I reckon that's good. I like it, it's good. We've also got white chocolate. So next time we make a white chocolate pudding. Let us know in the video if you want us to make the white chocolate pudding on the video as well. Maybe we'll perfect the recipe this time, perfectly.
Too dark chocolate.
This is good.
Too dark and it's bitter.
I think it's sweet enough.
It's sweet.
I think this is great.
But I think this is bitter.
I think, no, definitely not. Subscribe, like and share. Let us know in the comments if you want us to make the white chocolate pudding. So yeah, we're gonna make kisha, which is like a Polish
Jelly.
fruit jelly thing. Yeah, we're gonna make a few videos because we can't travel at the moment, so that's all we can do. Sit and eat and get fat. Next time?
I'm gonna take over the video.
Yes, Lumi's gonna take over the video soon.
With my friends. I'm going to
So yeah, I mean, we can buy this, but we couldn't buy it, so we made our own. I think we did a good job. I like it. See you guys. But the biggest reward is going to be Junior, because Junior loves his egg. Stay. Stay. Good boy. Oh.